Ow. Hurricane noises, by the way. Yeah, I'm in a hurricane. First time in my life. Spooky, but luckily it's just a category 1. The reason why I'm recording is so I could catch green lightning, which has been happening. Like that. But it was over there. Ooh. Some of the power went out from that. Whoa, what the? I felt water. I felt water here. Look. Focus. There's water. What the? Oh, heck. Oh no, I'm gonna tell my mom that. There's water somehow getting inside the window. But I'm not sure if you guys could see. I probably doubt it. Yeah, you guys can't see it that well, but the tree fell over. It's that strong for a category 1. The plum tree might fall. It's not even... Look. See? Broken tree. More of it just fell! Bro! A few more. Whoa. High winds. I went back on in the parking lot. There's a tree branch over there. It's not really seen, but there's a tree branch. Once I get a nice green flash, that's when I'm editing the video, so yeah. I've never in my entire life experienced a hurricane. And the power has been going out a bit. It's happened 2 times already, but it's came back on. Now that I think about it, would those lights fall over? I think that wasn't really clear enough to see. Oh, geez. Holy the street entry to here is heckin' flooded. There's people outside. They're probably watching from the outside perspective. Some shingles, I think that's how. I swear that is like the worst time to be doing laundry. The green lightning was over there. I'm gonna put my camera to my head, so you're seeing. Ooh.